what's up everybody? This is Zach with Review Empire, and tonight I'm just doing a quick little video showing y'all some chicken that I sort of just make. This is not like a big, oh, Zach's cooking something type of a meal, but it's just a really good meal that you can make on your pit boss that, you know, you don't have to make this huge preparations for and study for and all this sort of stuff. So we've just got some good old chicken legs, and what we're going to do is we're going to throw some Country Bob's beef chicken pork season on there. And really this is just a kind of a spicy, salty flavor that's good on a lot of things. And if you don't feel like doing a whole lot of prep work or anything like that, and y'all are going to see and hear my children's in this video. My wife's over there working out, and we're just having a normal night. I recently hit a landmark on my subscribers. I got to 1,000. Thank y'all so much. I'm going to make a video about that, but for now, just a big thank you for any subscribers that might be watching this and anybody that decides to become a subscriber while watching this video. I am just a normal person with a family, and those subscribes and those likes and those comments and, you know, hitting the notification bell, all that sort of stuff, it really helps me out so much. It's important that you just make sure everything's covered. This is just dry chicken. I'm just gonna give it a little toss. Mix it on up. Make sure you get a little seasoning on all those surfaces. If you watch any of my videos, I like for all my bites to be good bites. I mean, anything else is just madness. So anyway, this is my little girl, Adeline. If you're subscribing to my channel and liking my channel, you're hopefully helping to support her and her dreams and the things that she's going to become one day, and the chicken that she's going to eat. It's going to make her grow big and tall. Ain't that right, Adeline? And strong. Can you show your muscle? There you go. Look at that muscle. Oh, goodness.
No. That's not one, Mama.
That's Raya. She's actually very strong. But anyway, let's go out to the smoker. So we're out here at the pit boss, and we've got this thing ramping up to 350 degrees. It's been preheating for about 30 minutes now. Truth be told, you could smoke this in the pan if you wanted to kind of reduce your mess. But for me, I like to get that smoke evenly coated on all sides. Produces the best flavor in my opinion. And plan to get those internal temps on those legs up to about 170. 170, I would say, maybe 173, because when you take it off, it's going to continue to cook for a little while when it rests. We'll see y'all in just a little bit when we're putting the probe in. I am burning B&B pellets from Academy Sports. I think they also sell on Amazon. I'll try to leave a link. 100% all natural wood pellet grill fuel. It's my first run with them. I am cooking the apple wood, and you see that it is got a chicken on there, so that means giddy up. This is also a test for me, so I'll be doing a review on these pellets versus maybe some Pit Boss pellets. If you want to see that, if you've got any ideas of other types of pellets you would like to see me compare, let me know. All right, so here we are about to put our meat probes in. Kind of looking at this chicken, it's starting to come around. It won't be too terribly long. You can see it's really sort of tightened up a good bit. You can hear it sizzling. And what I'm going to do is I've got my ThermaPro meat probe, and what you want to do is try to find a nice thick piece of that chicken to go in, and try not to be on the bone. Notice I'm going on the exact opposite side, so that way you kind of get a judge of, is one side of your smoker cooking faster than the other one. I'm going to shut it back down. All right, so our chicken is pretty much up to temp, then just a couple of degrees of where I want it to be. And what we're going to do now is the saucing portion of our show. Since I'm doing this with one hand, I'm going to leave this sitting up here like that. And I'm just going to come down here, put a little sauce on the chicken to let it thicken up just a little bit. It doesn't have to be real thick. This isn't, you know, necessarily made to be just barbecue chicken. This is just what we call, in my world, flavor chicken. Just a little bit of flavor chicken. All that salt and spice and everything that's in that Country Bob seasoning, and then this nice sweet on top. Nobody's gonna complain. Guaranteed. Take that to the bank. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this 5 minutes, and then I'm going to flip them, and I'm going to sauce the other side for 5 more minutes, and then pull it. Don't that just look so tasty? Like a piece of candy. So I don't know what kind of sunsets y'all have at y'all's house, but I just kind of looked down the way and saw this one at my house and sort of just thought I would share it with y'all. So there's the sunset for you. Hope you're enjoying this video. All right, so we're back for our first taste test of the chicken. I've been cooking it for several hours and I got really hungry, so I'm really happy that I can try this for the first time. We cooked this at 350 degrees. We just basted it once it hit that 170 mark. Once it hit that 170, because you want to pull it 175, 177, somewhere in there. Basted it, waited 5 minutes, basted it, waited about 20 minutes till it hit 177-ish, maybe been 15. I'm not a timer guy. I just kind of go off feel. You're probably the same way. I don't know. Anyway, let's have a look at what we got here. I'm really excited to try it for the first time. It looks really good, and so therefore I assume it is good. We've got a nice little golden caramelized looking chicken leg that nobody that comes to your house is going to complain about this. Without further ado, I will try the chicken for the first time and see what it tastes like. Oh, that's a really good bite. Look at that. Perfect bite. Like biting an apple. If you bite into your meat, whatever you're smoking, and it comes out like you're biting into an apple, like a clean, like you can see the bite mark, you're winning. You're winning. Anyway, thanks so much for watching my video. This is so good. I hope you try it. It's a perfect mixture of that Country Bob's, really salty, and then you take and put that Sonny's. Oh, I'm using Sonny's barbecue sauce. I'll leave links to all this stuff below. I'm putting Sonny's on top of the salty. It's just really sweet, and you can feel that sweet melting away and that salt breaking through, and then you get the savoriness of the chicken meat, and it's just so good. I was so lucky that I waited to make the video before I, had a bite. Now, bite number 2. It's so good.
Bite number like 5.
It's so good. It's so good. Check out the links. You can cook this yourself. It's a really easy recipe. Man. Y'all are lucky that I waited to have a bite because I wanted to eat it before I made this video, but I didn't. But I didn't want to be insincere in my video. You might hear my little girl. But this is sort of a slice of life video anyway. It's how to cook chicken legs. If y'all have enjoyed this video, please hit the like button for me. I've been informed that this video needs to end. Consider becoming a subscriber to my channel. I hope you enjoy it. If you've got any questions or comments or anything like that, let me know below. And we'll see y'all in the next video.